Bruh, it's like something just landing right in the middle of all these trees, bruh. Wow. I've never seen stuff they messed up on. So you hear me? You gonna mess up. Yeah. When you working with D.I.Y with the recipients. What's up, gang? We're back with another video, man. Show y'all a little the aftermath, man. Sally, man, Hurricane Sally, man. It just came straight to our city. Thank God, man. You know, Lord bless us, man. Not sustain too much damage, man. We got some down trees and stuff, man. I'm gonna check on my family in a little bit. I've been texting everybody, been texting each other and stuff, man. I let y'all see what the yard look like, man. See what the C10. I gotta go out here and check out the C10, man. I had it covered up, and hope she good. Y'all come on with your boy, man. We're gonna go out here and look at the backyard, man. Try to get out here. Man, you be careful, man. You hear me? Hold on, bud. Man, gang. I had to come out here, cover up. All that was off, man. So I'm gonna have to hope everything dry out, man. I'm gonna have to see what the deal is. Come here, bud. Stay out here with me. Yes, sir. As y'all can see, man, my yard. We still ain't out of the we still ain't out of the woods yet, man. My neighbor. Wow. I just thank God we good, man. We out here getting y'all this footage, man. Hold on, bud. Stay right here with me, man. As y'all can see, man, it's still. I think the eye, man. I think the eye of the storm, like west of us, man. Check on my C10s. Golly. Rough, man. Come on, bud, come on. Come on back in the house. Yeah, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Alright, gang, we're back at it, man. Wow. Bruh. I almost took my shed out. Bruh. Wow. Wow, I thank God ain't nothing to fall on my house, man. Golly. Got my work cut out for me, gang. Get him. Go over here and check out my. Head over here and check out my folks, man. Alright, gang. Let's take a little ride. See what the city looking like. Still windy out here. Tell you what, man, we blessed, man. For those that ever, have to deal with as many hurricanes, tornadoes, and stuff as we deal with down south. You know what I'm saying? Man, we blessed, man. We blessed. You know, the storm, like the storm went a little west of us, so we didn't. Actually, didn't. We got a lot of wind, but we didn't get the brunt of it. So, you know, prayers going up to all the people that have been affected by this. You know, let's keep them in prayer. Like I said, man, I gotta see what the damage look like on my truck and all this stuff on my truck. But go through the city, man. I'm gonna go here and check on my folks, man. Alright, gang. Get my folks off and get out, see what's going on with them. Alright, come on. Folk backyard, folk neighbor cleaning up back there. So we got a mess. Got a tree down. That tree there, like it come down every time we have a hurricane, no? Nothing back there? What's going on? Alright, I guess I need to get a chainsaw, huh? Yeah, I almost took my shed out. I almost took my new shed out. One laying around the side of it. Oh, my front messed up too. Yeah. Yeah, man. Neighbors out. So yes, sir, man. So, man, we just thank God, man. That the Lord bless us, man. Bless all our family to get through this storm, man. Our neighbors, everybody find me, checking on the church family, church members, friends, everybody, man. So thank y'all all. You know what I'm saying? Send some prayers up, man, for Alabama, Florida, Mississippi, you know, everyone that's affected by this storm, man. I appreciate y'all, man, just taking out a little time, man. Your boy, D.I.Y. Renovations is alright. C10 is alright, man. So I'm about to get my hands dirty, man. Try to help my folks out, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Like I said, man, favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me, man. Yeah.